Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I am excited to bring you this video. I'm finally gonna try the very popular passion twist. This passion twist is by the brand Model. As you guys can see right here, it's the glance braid. I've tried a few braids from this particular line and it is in the color T350, and here we also have 2 bundles in one pack. This is 18 inches long. I'm going to grease my scalp. I'm using the Restoring Hair and Scalp Oil. I always use an oil because you need to protect your hair and you need to restore the scalp and all of that good stuff. So this one is by Dr. Miracle and I like it. So I am using the pre-looped one and I'm excited. So this is like an ombre effect, as you guys can see right here, and the top is a little bit darker. I'm gonna space it out on the sides and I'm gonna be putting it a little closer towards the top. I am using my crochet needle. You can get this for $1. I'm only gonna do it one time because it is already pre-looped. Like, there's no reason to do it more than once, and it is pretty long all the way down. Put it in, close the loop, bring it up, and we go in. So we're gonna do enough spacing in that area. I mean, the transformation is already happening. We are almost there, almost there, almost there. And on pack number 2. Alright guys, I think this is it. Thank you so much for watching, and I think I did pretty good. These are looking bomb. Can't wait to do my makeup so you can see the final look. Okay guys, this is the finished look. I got a little dolled up because I am going out with the girls this weekend, so I'm about to leave the house. I just thought I would give you guys a little preview of what it looks like as the finished product. I do like it. It is much more than I was anticipating as far as the volume, because obviously I didn't do the individuals, but I like how it turned out and I think it is very cute. So thank you so much as always for watching, and don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Bye bye.